Hi. It's time to learn about colors. Red, black, blue, orange, purple, pink, green, white, yellow, gray, brown. Again. Red, black, blue, orange, purple, pink, green, white, yellow, gray, brown. Again. Green, white, yellow, purple, pink, gray, brown, red, black, blue, orange. Practice. Black, black car. Blue, blue bus. Green, green boat. Purple, purple bicycle. Pink, pink ship. Brown, brown motorcycle. Red, red firetruck. Orange, orange van. White, white ambulance. Yellow, yellow helicopter. Gray, gray airplane. Let's review. What color is the ambulance? Red. What color is the helicopter? Orange. What color is the airplane? Green. What color is the car? Purple. What color is the fire truck? Pink. What color is the motorcycle? White. What color is the bus? Black. What color is the boat? Blue. What color is the bicycle? Brown. What color is the van? Yellow. What color is the ship? Gray. Let's review. Choose the blue airplane. Choose the white helicopter. Choose the red ambulance. Choose the orange van. Choose the purple fire truck. Choose the green motorcycle. Choose the brown ship. Choose the pink bicycle. Choose the black boat. Choose the yellow bus. Choose the gray car. Last review. Red, black, blue, orange, purple, pink, green, white, yellow, gray, brown. Good job.
Bye!